Are you ready to go for your first car ride?
I'm scared.
Alright, there's some things I need to show you first. Okay, it's kind of like a manual transmission. So when you first start the car up, then you go into first, and you don't even have a clutch or nothing. You just go down one to get another gear.
Okay.
But
So it just moves down?
Yeah, it just moves down.
But I have to move it over and down?
No, it should just go down all by itself.
Okay. Alright.
And the brakes are a little, you have to give it some, it's no power brakes, it's manual brakes.
Okay.
So give yourself extra time to brake.
Alright. You're going to be right behind me, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Just go around the block first.
That's all I'm going to do because I'm nervous.
Alright, start it up.
Are you going to be behind me?
Wait a second. Start it up.